Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to hide the recycle bin from the desktop in Windows. This is actually quite simple. As we can see, the recycle bin is currently displayed. To change this, I right-click on the desktop and go to Personalize. We are already in the Personalization tab and here we click on Themes and Desktop Icon Settings. Now we are shown various icons whose visibility we can set in Windows. Except for the recycle bin, all icons are hidden at the moment. Now I remove the check mark from the recycle bin, and as soon as I apply the change, the recycle bin has removed from my desktop. In the opposite way, I can of course also display the recycle bin again by setting the check mark and applying the change. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!